Let me show you how to quickly find and track any price you might need. Starting at the Prices widget. Here you can use the product dropdown to find all of the prices available on Vesper. You can search in here, for instance, if I search sugar, and you'll find all of the different sugar specifications that we have. And when you select one, you see all of the sources available to you for that product. You can always very easily see the source of the price. So in this case, you can see the EU Commission, the USDA, but also partner prices, where Vesper works together with external agencies to provide you with a price. Whenever you see the VPI, you know it's a price unique to Vesper. In here, if you select a product, it will automatically be added to the left-hand sidebar navigation for you to easily get back to these prices that you're working with. And you can easily shift between different ones as well. In the widget, you always see the evolution. Whenever it says average, there's multiple prices selected, and you can select or deselect prices from the legend to temporarily leave your screen. Whenever you hover over a certain price, you always see the date and the latest price. If you want to compare different products, you can do that in the price comparison widget. Here I can, for instance, easily compare the butter price I now have with a cream price to find any relations that I might want to track in here. And the last widget to show you is the forward prices. Here you can see pricing up to 16 months ahead for different products.